A very good morning to my honorable judges and dedicated teachers. We are from the Einstein group. I am Simling and these are my group members, which is Mystic and Sutika. Today we would like to present how does the, how does the shape of airplane affect the distance travel.
Okay.
The purpose of aim is to the purpose of aim is to indicate the shape between the shape of the river plate and the distance traveled. Our hypothesis river plate C will travel further than river plate A and B. Our resources are encyclopedia and tree. Very lovely. That's the shape of the river plate, counting the distance traveled by the plane, contain the length of the distance traveled. And material that we use rubber band, paper clip, measuring tape, color paper, ruler, and pencil. From number one, the material was prepared. Number two, the paper clip was placed at the end of the paper plate. Number three, the rubber band was fastened to the paper clip and a wooden pencil. Number four, the rubber band was just held by the paper plane was hidden and the distance traveled was observed. Six, the distance was measured by using a measuring tape. Seven, the steps were taken for 3 times. Number eight, the result was recorded in a paper. And number nine, all the steps above were repeated for paper plane and teeth.
Here is our result. The distance traveled by the paper plane in meter. Paper plane A, that's one 3.66. Here is our result. The distance traveled by the paper plane in meter. Paper plane A, test 1 3.66. Test 2 3.53 and test 3 3.66. The average that we get was 3.61. Paper plane B, test 1 3.5, test 2 2.46 and test 3 3.14. The average is 3.03. Paper plane C, test 1 3.45, test 2 2.54 and test 3 3.6. The average is 3.19. Firstly, do you guys know why is airplane very important in our daily life? What if we are left out without our airplanes? We won't be able to travel from a country to another country. And we will face a lot of difficulties to import things from a country to another country too. That is our conclusion. Our hypothesis is rejected when the paper plane is shaped aerodynamically. The distance traveled by the paper plane is further. The paper airplane must be little drag and light enough to defy the gravity. Then the paper airplane is used to lift and thrust. If all these forces are balanced, our paper airplane will fly further. Applications. Sporty cars are shaped aerodynamically to reduce friction. Is there any question to ask us?
You guys done?
Yeah.
Done? All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's a good experiment. There is one thing you can improve, okay, which is what's the difference between A, B, and C? Yes, you show it to me. Show it to me. Which one is A?
The
This
blue
is
color.
A. All right. Okay. Then
This is B.
B. Okay. All right.
And this is C.
It is C. All right. Who is the champion?
The paper plane A is the champion.
Okay, paper plane A is a champion. How far is travel?
It traveled in our test one we got 3.6 weeks, test two 3.53 and test
Tell
three
me the end
3.
result. Tell me the end result
The,
and average
the average is 3.61.
3.61. Okay. Which one is the worst?
The worst is paper plane 3.
Okay. What is the distance travel?
3.03.
That one is in meter, right? Is in meter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you launch the aeroplane?
We just stretched for 10 cm for every each plane. Then we saw the distance traveled. Then the furthest was paper plane A.
Why you want to use rubber band and don't want to just throw with your hand?
Because if we throw it in our free hand, it won't be accurate. Sometimes we will throw slowly, sometimes we will throw harder. That's why.
All right, very good, very good. So what did you find out? Why A is can fly further? What's so special about A that B and C don't have?
Because the paper plane A is shaped aerodynamically, and the purpose of the aerodynamic is to reduce friction.
Okay, if I am 6 years old or 7 years old, can you show me the dynamic of the aeroplane? Can you compare the aerodynamic of the aeroplane?
Can
Okay, can you tell me what's the differences between A, B, and C?
the aerodynamic has a very long structure. It was a very long structure, and it has the wings are totally different from this because this is very thin and this is very big, so thick. So this is totally different from paper plane B and C.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Mm, if you given you a chance to improve the experiment, how you going to improve the experiment?
Um, we will try to make. We will try to uh, throw it back again.
Hmm.
To repeat the steps again.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, very good, very good, very good. Um, did you use same size of paper or different size of paper?
Everything has same. It's just to compare each other. We are just putting different colors of papers.
Okay, okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, all right, all right. I think I don't have any more questions. Okay, your experiment is very interesting. If I am a young children, if I am a young children, I really want to know the trick, okay, of making the best aeroplane. All right. So I want you to convey the message at the end of the conclusion. Okay, at the end of the conclusion is A because of such and such and such. You explain that. Okay. When you explain the variables, all right, when you explain the variables, the manipulative is the shape, right? Yeah. You can because shape is very wide. Is it long? Is it short? Or is it the hexagonal shape or oval shape? You get what I mean? So I want you to explain to anyone, okay, what is the differences between A, B, and C? Okay, so that so that I know how to relate. Yeah. After I ask you the question, then I know, oh, aeroplane cannot too wide. Yeah, too wide is not far. Okay, I must have aerodynamic. Okay, so you want to emphasize what is aerodynamic of the aeroplane. You must emphasize the aerodynamic of the aeroplane. Yeah, so that everyone can relate to your answer. You get what I mean or not? Yeah, you get what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, so the answer, the way you guys answer about about why you have to use the rubber band is good. Okay, is good. That is what I'm expecting you guys to answer. Okay, so if your group is selected to round number 2, you guys have to go to Pusat Sains Negara to show your project to everybody. A lot of people over there, children, young children, mommy, daddy, grandpa, and grandma, all ages will be there. So explain to them, okay? If you want, make more samples so that children can try also, correct or not? Okay, I also want to try your experiment on the spot. Okay, try to pull 10 cm. Let's do it again. Okay, a good experiment will have the same result every time, right? Yeah, we have the same result every time. Okay, but your finding is good, the board is good, so all the best. Okay, all the best, all the best. Okay.